Suzuki Violin, Book 1, Perpetual Motion. You'll notice in this song that the whole song is eighth notes. So it's going to go T, 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 T. Something else you'll notice is that above the notes in the first measure, there's dots. That means staccato. It also says sempre staccato, which means staccato for the whole song, basically. Okay, so starting with the down bow, let's learn the first four notes of the first measure. On the A string, down bow, open, 1, 2, 2. Ready, and. Do it again. Ready, and. Open, 1, 2, 2. Third time, ready, and. Okay, you'll notice I left my fingers down as I'm playing. I don't go like this. Open, 1, lift my first finger up, 2, 2. I don't do that. Once I climb up, I'm going to be going open, 1, leave it down, 2, 2. Okay, that's nice because the next four notes are 1, 2, 3, 3. All I have to do is lift my second finger up and go 1, 2, 3, 3. Do it again, ready? 1, 2, 3, 3 on the A string, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 3. Again, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 3. First measure, open 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3. Ready, and. Okay, next measure, first four notes is 2, 3, open E, 2. And there's a fourth finger there, so this is where you need to actually start learning how to play your fourth finger. So you don't have to go to the E string just to hit the fourth finger. You just play fourth finger on the A string. So it's going to go 2, 3, 4, 2. Do it again, ready, and on the A string, 2, 3, 4, 2. Do it again, ready, and 2, 3, 4, 2. Okay, last four notes, measure 2, is 3, 1, open E, open E. So it's going to be 3, 1, open E, open E. 3A, 1A, open E, open E. One more time. 3A, 1A, open E, open E. Let's do the second measure of perpetual motion. 2, 3, 4, 2. 3, 1, open E, open E. Ready, and 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, open E, open E. Can we do the first two measures of perpetual motion? Let's do it. So down bow, they're all staccato. Open, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, open E, open E. Do that again. This time, focus in on my fingers and see what my fingers are doing the whole time. Ready, and open, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, open E, open E. The next thing is really cool because the third and fourth measures of the song are almost exactly the same as the first and second measures. The only difference is instead of hitting 2 open E's at the end, we hit 2 open A's. So this third measure is the same as first measure, and this fourth measure is almost exactly the same as measure 2, except for we do open A instead. So let's do measure 3, which is the same as measure 1. Open, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, open A, open A. Okay, got that? Let's do that again. Third and fourth measure of perpetual motion. Ready, and open. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, open A, open A. Okay, let's do the first four measures now. Ready, and. We're going to be looking at measure 5, which is right here, second line, starting on the E string, 3, 2, 1, 1. Okay? So 3, 2, 1, 1 E string. Give that a try. First four notes of measure 5. Do it again. Ready, and. One more time. Ready, and 3, 2, 1, 1. Second part of that measure is 2, 1, open E, open E. Again, 2, 1, open E, open E. One more time, 2, 1, open E, open E. Good, let's add those two together. Measure 5, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, open E, open E. Ready, and. Okay, next measure, this is measure 6. Basically the last measure of line 2 is 1, open, 3, 3. 1 E, open E, 3A, 3A. Let's give that a try. Ready, and 1 E, open E, 3A, 3A. One more time, ready, and 1, open, 3, 3. Again, ready, and 1 E, open E, 3A, 3A. Last 4 notes of that measure is 2, 1, open E, or 2A, 1A, open E, open E. Give that a try. Second finger A string, first finger A string, open E, open E. Do that again. 2A, 1A, open E, open E. One more time. 2A, 1A, open E, open E. Let's do that measure now. 1 E, open E, 3A, 3A, 2A, 1A, open E, open E. Again. Last time, measure 6. Last measure of line 2. Cool, now we're going to do measure 5 and measure 6 together. Starting on the E string, 3, E, 2 E, 1 E, 1 E, 2 E, 1 E, open E, open E. All on the E string. So 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, open E, open E. Next measure, 1 E, open E, 3A, 3A, 2A, 1A, open E, open E. Give that a try. Here we go. Ready? And. Do it again. 1, 2, ready, and 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, open E, open E, 1, open E, 3, 3, 2, 1, open E, open E. Now the cool thing is, the next 2 measures are exactly the same, except for the last 2 notes, just like we saw before. So this one does exactly the same thing as we just did, except it hits open A, instead of open E, open E. So let's do those 2 measures, measure 7 and measure 8. First 2 measures of the third line of perpetual motion. So here we go, ready, and. Open A, open A. Okay? Great, so let's do those 4 measures in a row. So we're going to go measure 5, 6, 7, and 8. All in a row. Here we go. Remember, they're the same thing, except for the first time you do it, you open E twice. Second time you do it, you do open A twice. Here we go. Ready, and 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, open E, open E, 1, open E, 3, 3, 2, 1, open E, open E, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, open E, open E, 1, open E, 3, 3, 2, 1, open A, open A. Great. Let's do the whole song up to that point now. So we're going to start at the beginning, and we're going to go all the way to measure 8, the end of measure 8. Here we go. Ready? Remember staccato the whole time. Start with the down bow. Ready? And. Alright, this is the next part. It's cool because it repeats itself, okay? Basically, measure 9 and measure 10, last measure of line 3, first measure of line 4. We learn those 2 measures. We basically learn the next 2 measures. Okay, so let's give that a try. First 4 notes on the A string, 2, open, 1, 1. that a try. Ready, and. Do it again. 2, open 1, 1. Ready, and. Third time, ready, and. Okay, next 4 notes is 3, 1, 2, 2. Okay, so 3, 1, 2, 2 on the A string. Give it a try, ready, and. 3, 1, 2, 2. Do it again, ready, and. 3, 1, 2. Third time, ready, and. 3, 1, 2, 2. Let's do that measure now. 2, open 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 2 on the A string. Ready, and. 2, open 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 2. Okay? Measure 10. Make sure you use a 4th finger. Not an open on this one. It says 4th. Use a 4th finger. So we're going to go 4, 2, 3, open E. Do that again. 4th finger A string. 2nd finger A string. 3rd finger A string. Open E. One more time. Ready, and. 4, 2, 3, open E. Next 4 notes pretty easy. 1, 2, 3, 3 on the E string. 1, 2, 3, 3. Do that again. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 3. Last time. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 3. Good. Let's put those two together. Measure 10. The second part of measure 10. Starting with 4th finger. 4, 2, 3. Open E. 1, 2, 3, 3. Again. Ready, and 4, 2, 3. Open E. 1, 2, 3, 3. Last time. Ready, and 4, 2, 3. Open E. 1, 2, 3, 3. Good. Let's do measure 9 and measure 10 in a row now. Start with 2nd finger on the A string. Ready, and 2. Open 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 2. 4, 2, 3. Open E. 1, 2, 3, 3. Do it again. 2nd finger A string. Ready, and 2. Open 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 2. 4, 2, 3. Open E. 1, 2, 3, 3. Cool. So now we know measure 9, 10, 11, and 12 because measure 11 and 12 basically repeat measure 9 and 10. So let's do those 4 in a row. 2nd finger A string, measure 9. Ready, and. 4, 2, 3, open E. 1, 2. Again. Alright, the cool thing is, you look over here, last line. Measure 13, 14, 15, and 16 are exactly as measure 1, 2, 3, and 4. You now know the whole song because this is the same as this. So let's play the whole song from the top. Okay, here we go. 2, ready, and. And that is perpetual motion.